will be talking today about the differences and comparing and contrasting open loop control systems and closed loop control systems. So first of all, we'll just briefly introduce what they both are used for. They both help us kind of understand how our central and peripheral nervous systems initiate and control movements. And so let's talk now about what they do individually. A open loop control system focuses more on actions that are simple and kind of a one dimension movement, being as that it is a movement that doesn't require any feedback. It's very fast. It doesn't require any like intake from your surroundings, right? For example, of throwing a football, right? It is a one quick movement and that's it. And that's the end of it, right? What a closed loop control system would be like will be a runner, say like the wide receiver running to try and catch that football. They are relying on feedback, trying to keep in correct position of themselves, coordinating with the field around them to try and stay under the ball, to try and catch it, relying more on that information around them. And so that's where the main difference lies between the two of them. Whereas open loop control systems kind of focus more on those quick movements that don't really require a lot of feedback, right? Either they're too fast or they're already a predetermined movement that are practiced a lot. Don't require any feedback, just quick boom as such, as like throwing a punch, right? The open loop, or the closed loop, is the opposite, where it requires a lot of feedback, right? It's not something that you can just do quickly. It is something that is a extended movement typically, or a slow movement that requires feedback from your surroundings and your body to kind of take in this information and then process it to allow you to stay with that movement. And those basically the differences. Those are what those two things do. Thank you very much.